part 3. There she is, all with fresh paint. Color match is beautiful. Got everything painted. Just got to put everything back together. Already started with the tail lights, and I got this bumper cover put on. This got put back in. Should have cleaned it first, but I'm lazy, so I didn't. I made that look just how the factory did with the clear coat. Just missed it in there. But the bodywork turned out really nice. So this is a little bit of a dip, which I was looking at another car we have here, and it has the same dip, so I'm happy with that. But all this here, it just needs wet sand and buff, just like the Vibe did. So let's get this thing put together. Yeah, I'm gonna run the buffer over the sides here too. Not so much the roof or the trunk lid, anything like that. Just to get the that way this doesn't look so horrible. Which, dang it, I keep forgetting. This makes me so angry. Beautiful brown hood. Wait a minute, silver. Okay, let's try this again. Got the hood all edged out. Looks good. let's try to get the sides buffed out on this. That way it doesn't look so blatantly obvious. I mean, that's a big difference between them two panels there. This thing's gonna buff out really nice. I mean, it's gonna shine like a diamond. So let's get this buffed out, get it out of the garage. That way it could set up and fully cure, and get it back in here about a week, 2 weeks from now, and get it done. Okay, got this one back in the garage. I'm gonna leave everybody up in the air on the Impala till I actually get time to. Oh, missing the taillight. Till I get time to actually wet sand and buff the hood, both quarters, and the door. Want to make that car look really nice because it is a nice car. So there's that. Want to wait about a week or so, and this won't take probably the better part of the day to finish it up. So next video we'll be getting on with part 3, 2, 3, whatever. You'll see it if you want to see it. If not, don't look, I guess. But as always, thank you all for watching. Well, howdy, neighbors. Why don't you join me today? This is what I got going on. Right there's my blend line. Oh, you can't see it because I'm horrible at camera.